The Samsung Jet 75 Complete Cordless Stick Vacuum is equipped for optimal convenience and performance. Use your vacuum up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning before a recharge is needed, or easily swap the battery with a spare. Use the turbo action brush across multiple surfaces thanks to the stick vacuum's 200 air watts of intense suction power and 180 degrees swivel flexibility. The 5-layer HEPA filtration system works in tandem with the brush to filter 99.999% of microdust, ensuring a complete clean of your home. The lightweight design pairs well with this intense suction power, making hard-to-reach places all the easier. Use the cordless vacuum cleaner without interruption, as consistent suction prevents dirt buildup on the filter, and rest easy knowing the filter is dishwasher safe. Additional brush heads and tools round out the Jet 75 seconds arsenal, like the soft brush for hardwood and tile, the mini motorized tool for reducing allergens, and the crevice tool for reaching tight or awkward areas. When you're done cleaning, mount your vacuum on a wall or in a closet to both maximize space and charge your device at the same time. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 60-minute battery life. Use your vacuum up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning before a recharge is needed, or easily swap the battery with a spare. Number 2. Advanced performance. Clean hardwood, tile, and carpeting thanks to the vacuum's 200 air watts of intense suction power. Number 3. Lightweight design. Built to go around your home with ease at a mere 6 pounds. The Jet 75 makes it easy to vacuum stairs, reach beneath sofas or appliances, clean high cabinets, window blinds, and more. Number 4. Turbo action brush. Rotating more than 3,700 times a minute and with 180 swivel flexibility, the turbo action brush cleans dust, hair, and other debris on multiple surfaces. Number 5. Jet Cyclone. Keep debris from building up on the filter with the powerful multi-cyclonic system that pushes dirt into the dustbin, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What size is the dustbin? Answer. I looked up our specifications for this model, and the dustbin capacity is listed as 0.8 liters. Question number 2. Does the Jet 75 stand up on its own, or will it fall over if you need to stop vacuuming and move something, for instance? Answer. The Jet Stick is not designed to stand on its own. However, it does come with a wall attachment that will hold it upright in place. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.